Copy the shortened link and go back to the description you wrote, paste your link as the download link, then click publish and boom. Hello everyone, welcome to LRZ. As you just saw on intro, today I'm going to reveal you a brand new secret strategy which made me over $20,000 within 3 months as a passive income. Guys, I can say in this world no one knows this secret strategy except me, and today I'm going to reveal it to you. Trust me guys, 99.99% YouTubers copying others' content ideas and strategies and represent them as their own methods in YouTube and getting hundreds of thousands of subscribers. But look at my analytics.
Pathetic.
There are more than 81% people just only watched my videos and they didn't subscribe. But that's all right for me because my only focus is to teach you the real money making methods and give you a relief from your financial burdens. I really don't follow after views or subscribers, just I'm trying to help you.
That's all.
So guys, before I start, I want to request from you to please do not prejudge this method. You don't have any idea about what I'm going to teach you today, and do not skip a single second of this video. Watch this carefully, don't skip it, and if you forget things, please take notes. Alright, now let's go to the step number 1. So first you have to go to this website called creativefabrica.com. If you don't know what is Creative Fabrica, I have created a video talking about what is Creative Fabrica and how to use the affiliate program to make money. So you can check the card on right hand corner of this video. So go to Creative Fabrica and create a free account. It's very simple. Just enter your username and your email and password. That's all. It's very simple. Once you created a free account on Creative Fabrica, you can see this offer to get unlimited access to all for the resources for just only for $1. This means when you get this offer, you have the access for all Creative Fabrica resources and download them unlimitedly within 30 days. And also if you don't like Creative Fabrica anymore, you can cancel your subscription within 30 days and you will not charge. That's very simple and it's very easy. After your purchase, go to a graphic section and click logo from the drop down menu. Under logo, you can see there are more than 371,000 logo design packs available to download. So just go through these designs and select one of these if you like to download. Let's see. So let's select this one, 6 set of summer badges logo. Its normal price is $7, but for you it's for free. You can select anything else if you like, no problem. But for this tutorial I'm not going to download this one because I have enough more than resources which was downloaded from Creative Fabrica full of my 1 terabyte external hard drive. So I'm not going to download anymore from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to use one of those downloaded resources for this tutorial. And also, not only the logo pack you need to download, you have to save these images by right clicking and save it to your computers, because we are going to use those images after some time for this method. Now for the next step is go to your Google Drive. For that, just open a new tab and click these dots and select Drive. Inside the drive, you should create a folder by right clicking and select new folder. Let's rename it as free logos. Next, double click your newly created folder and go inside. Now here you need to upload your logo pack zip folder which you downloaded from Creative Fabrica to your Google Drive. It will take some time to upload, so just be patient. Once you complete the uploading process, just right click and click get link. Now here you link is restricted and you are the only one person who can say this, but you have to change the restriction mode to anyone with the link, and the link will turn green, and now you can copy and publish the link of your uploaded zip folder. Now next step is open a new tab and search Google Doc, and select this first result, then click blank document. You can rename it as free logos, and now you need to import this Creative Fabrica images which we downloaded previously. I told you that we are going to use it later, to our Google Doc. To upload the image, for that click insert, hover over image, and click upload from computer. Once you uploaded the image, you can adjust it and hit enter and type here is your free logo pack. And you can change the size, color, and let's center it. Next hit enter button twice and type download and highlight the word again and enter your Google Drive link like this. Click insert link and paste it and hit apply. Now you have a Google Doc linked to your logo pack in your Google Drive. Now next step is very important. In this step we are going to create a listing on a marketplace, but remember, we are not going to sell anything on it. The marketplace name is Etsy. I told you, don't prejudge. As I told you before, we are not going to sell anything here. But what we need to do here is just to open a Etsy shop. Just register as a usual person to Etsy and create a Etsy shop. It's very simple. I guess no need an introduction for that. After opening an Etsy shop, or you can use your existing Etsy shop if you have, just go to listing and click this black color button to add a listing. To add a listing, you must upload the image you already downloaded from Creative Fabrica. Next, give it a title like this: vintage logo designs, no need to purchase, like that. Next, about listing, who made it, select I did. What is it? Select finished product. When did you make it? Just select year 2020 and 2022. Next, select digital as the category. Then come down. Select renewal option as manual. And next, select product type as digital. After that, description. Enter a description saying this listing is free, and use the link to download free logo design pack, and keep space for the link and type this listing is a digital file. Come down and enter the tags like this. Next, mention the price as low as 20 cents. Put quantity as 100. For the file, you can upload the PDF document if you need, but they don't need to download as we provide the link. For marketing, select maybe later. Next, go back to your Google Doc and type this exact same phrase, special notes, double dot. If you need to customize these logos and redesign it with your brand colors, go to this website and you can get it done for cheap prices, like $10. Now, this is the way we are going to earn big money. So, what is the website which we mentioned on the Google Doc? Do you have any idea? That is Fiverr. So, what you need to do is go to Fiverr and sign up if you don't have an account. Then scroll down to bottom and click affiliate. Yes, now you have a small idea about this secret strategy. All right, now you must register to Fiverr's affiliate program. It's very simple. Just enter your basic information and that's it. Once you create an affiliate account, your dashboard will look like this. So to get the links which pays us money, click marketing tools section. Next, click default and deep links and copy the second link under the Fiverr hybrid program. This hybrid will pay you 10% $10 plus 10% revenue share for 12 months for every new buyer. It means you have to work only one time and the result will come throughout a year. So just click here to copy the link and go back to your Google Doc and paste the link and apply. Now you have a document with the links to your logo folder and Fiverr hybrid program. Next, you need to download your Google document as a PDF document and re-upload it to your Google Drive again like this. And you do not forget to delete the Word file from the drive to avoid from messing up things. Now right click your newly created PDF file and get the unrestricted link. Now this is the link you have to paste on Etsy listing description. As the link we just copied is too long, let's make it short by using bit.ly like this. Here you can paste the shortened link on Etsy and create the listing and publish it. Now guys, our mission is completed, and let's understand how this method works. Look at this. There are more than 200 million people come to purchase things from Etsy in every month. From that amount, a considerable amount of people coming to buy digital products like logo templates and social media templates, infographics, presets, Canva templates, and so on. So we offer them a free logo design pack, which no need to purchase, and they can download by using the Google Drive link we provided on the description. Because everyone loves free stuff, and definitely people downloaded it. But whether these people love these stuff, they can't use these logos as it is for their businesses without editing or redesigning or recoloring. So this is the point where we make money. We give them these free designs and tell them that they can change these logos for cheaper prices with the help of a website. As the website is world famous Fiverr, people will definitely purchase a service to redesign or recolor whatever anything. That is the way you make money. So as example, let's say someone come to redesign your free logos. He or she will come back to design something else as cookies, tracking that purchase and give you commissions also. So it means it's a passive income. When you make customer, he will retain with you for 12 months. That's the way of Fiverr hybrid affiliate program. So guys, I guess you have a clear idea about this. If you do have any clarifications, you can comment, but I suggest you to watch this video again and again and take notes, and please implement this method. This works me so well, and it made me over 20,000 US dollars, exactly 23,000 US dollars for last 3 months. And it's very simple, and not only for logos, you can use this method for Canva templates, presets, and the infographics especially, and the social media icons, thumbnails. So many things you can do this. And guys, as Etsy do have lots of traffic, you don't need to do extra promotions. You don't need to spend a single penny for the promotions. And if you like, if you have time, you can create Pinterest pins for each your Google Doc. It means each your Etsy listing, and you can gain more free traffic. All right, guys, that's all for today. If you do have anything to ask, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos, and share with these videos with your friends and families who are trying to get rid of financial burdens and make passive income and side hustle. All right, guys, goodbye. This is LRZ.